Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to make all the lights work in the castle on Fallout 4. So you've probably noticed my radio beacon is working, and we've killed the Mylark, whatever it is, queen, bloody annoying thing. Took about 10 rockets, and then the radio beacon's working, and then you go and naturally you go and have a look around, and you will see a bunch of these wires everywhere, and you're like, hold on a minute, well, these are, these are the electrical components in the game that you can craft yourself, but they're connected pretty much the whole way around this block, so that you've got lights in every room. And then you wonder, how can I get these to work? Well, there is a very easy way. Instead of trying to connect it to these, which you can't because there's already a wire on, you will come to, if you come through the front door of the castle and go left, the first entrance on the left, you'll see a window. Now, I noticed this pretty much as soon as I came in, because I was fighting in this room with the Mylarks, and then the Queen came in. But you see a pylon and a water thing. And you start to become a little, you think, like, I got a bit confused because it says water 0, power only 10. So, if that's there, why isn't it working? And then I realised it's because of the power. There's no power connected to it. Well, there's no power connected to it. So you got to go round the side, and you'll see a pylon and the wire going through the window, and then your water. Now, all you need for this, if you build, it says requires power. All you will need is a generator that produces 5 electric. Now, I think this is what works. This is the minimum you can have for it. So if you place that, attach a wire to the pylon, like that, it produces the electricity. Now your water's gone up to 40, and your power has gone up to 15. Now if we go into the castle and check it out, then you will see, if we go back in the room we were in before, that the lights have come on. And these are the lights all around the castle. We'll take some fusion cells. All around the castle, and they will work. Now all the lights will work. You don't need to worry about anything other electrical component wise. Everything will be on. So yeah, that is the very quick and easy way of doing it. It only costs 5 electricity, which is very easy to find all the parts for. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.